Good morning. I'm Chief District Court Judge Wendy Enix. This morning you will be hearing from 4 other judges presiding here in Guilford County about the benefits of child custody mediation. Judge Sue Burch will speak to you about why you should not allow a judge to decide your custody case. Judge Teresa Vincent will be speaking to you about possible outcomes for children involved in contested custody actions. Judge Jarrell will be speaking to you about your role as a parent in a custody action, and then Judge Samet will summarize the seminar. Please give them all your careful attention. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Judge Sue Burch. I'm one of your presiding district court judges here in Guilford County. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the court system and how custody cases are resolved, and why it may not be the best scenario to let a judge be the one that decides your custody situation. Our court system is based on an English model where people came to court to resolve their disputes about property or rights or responsibilities. Over the years, the court system had to adapt to handle family law cases. Parents have a constitutional right to the custody of their children, and when they can't agree on what the arrangements should be, they have the right to come to court and ask that a judge make that decision. But court is a formal process. The rules of evidence apply, the rules of procedure apply, and when you come to court, you're able to give testimony about what you think is in your children's best interest, how you would like to see the matter resolved. The other side has that same right. And then the court listens to everybody and makes a decision about what would be best for your children. Judges are not here to take your side. They're not here to resolve your problems. They're here simply to listen to the evidence that's presented and make the best decision for the children that can be made. Judges have law degrees. We're trained professionals, but we're not doctors, we're not therapists, and we're not investigators. It's our job to listen to the evidence that's brought to us and make the best decision with it that we can. The contrast to this is the mediation process. Through the mediation process, you have an opportunity to fully say what you think is important about your custody determination without being bound by the rules of evidence or the rules of court. You have a chance to put the concerns that you have for the other parent and for the children out on the table and work with a solution that comes up that both of you can agree to for the arrangement for your child. In the court system, at the end of the day, when the case is done, the judge will make the best decision that he or she can make with the evidence that was presented. You don't get any say into that decision. And we all know that with human nature, people are more likely to comply with and follow a decision that they've had some input in the making of. When you have a court order, it's the order that must be followed. The parents that come with us have a chance through custody mediation to take control of the outcome of the litigation. They have a chance to talk to each other, to be heard about what's best for their children, and to make the decision themselves. If you don't do that, if you leave it to be done by the court, then a judge who listens to you and listens to the other side will make the decision for you. That judge is largely a stranger to your family. The other issue that we have, cannot be ignored, is the number of cases that are pending in our court system at this time. The court system is clearly overburdened, and we run 3 full-time civil courts in Guilford County, 2 in Greensboro, 1 in High Point, every day to hear custody cases. Yet many times parents come and their case isn't reached. We reach them as quickly as we can, but there's no guarantee that the day your case is scheduled, it will be heard. Mediation offers you release from this. It offers you a way to be able to take control of your case and settle it for yourselves.